Updating the shaders across Nuke for the new 3D system has been a big focus for this beta. All the light shaders, material shaders, and surface shaders have been updated in connection with Scanline Render 2. And new for this beta is the introduction of the MtlXStandardSurface standard surface node. Now this will allow comp artists to generate their own MtlXStandardSurface shaders in Nuke. By default, the node properties only expose the basic settings that comp artists will be familiar with from nodes such as the basic surface shader. But with this new shader, you can create more detailed and realistic shaders inside of Nuke. Now, when you combine that with the new lighting nodes and Scanline Render 2's architecture, you're going to produce greater results with complexity and quality. So let's take a look at this shader a bit further. So in this case, what we're doing here is this is the original floor, and we're replacing it with some geometry, and we're using the MtlXStandardSurface shader on here. And you see we're getting this nice variation in the way that the light is hitting on it, and that is because we have some access to other properties than we're normally used to. Okay, so let's see how this is broken down. What I'm going to do is just disable some of these, and then we'll build up backwards and see how this was built. So we just have some simple geo cards, and then we have the MtlXStandardSurface shader, and currently plugged into the base value is the texture for it. It's just the base color plus occlusion, and that's giving us this result. Now when we look at it, we can see that we have our color value, and from here we see we have this sheen, we have the specular sheen directly over it, and because we're using a PBR material, we can begin to populate the shader with some of these attributes. So first thing is the specular, we have a roughness value, and we have a roughness map for this material. So we're just going to go ahead and turn it on, and we can see now we're having the proper breakup of roughness for this. Also, because this is a metal material, it comes with a metalness map or a metal map. So we're plugging that into the metal input. So we'll go ahead and turn that on as well. That's looking good, but obviously we're not going to have that same breakup of all of the specular sheen to it, because we need to sort of protrude the normals, and so we do have a normal map. So once we turn that on, then we're getting the nice breakup of everything and to give us that material. So the MtlXStandardSurface standard surface works with lights as well, so we have some lights in the scene. And from here, we can go in and we're mimicking what was seen inside of that plate and aligning things in. We have this nice interactivity that we can be working with. And of course, we can make any color adjustments that are necessary. In this case, we're very blue with the overall look of this plate. So we're just making that adjustment and pushing it into that direction. And the MtlXStandardSurface renders with Scanline Render 2.